Hello, we're going to talk briefly about the mole. In chemistry we use the mole, M-O-L-E, simply as a unit of measurement. And we use this particular unit of measurement because it helps us convert between other units. And that actually gets pretty important because if you take a look at my little map here, this is the mole map. And this is designed to help you know how to convert between different things. You'll see that the map has the mass of things, like if we had a little jar of sulfur powder, we would put that on a scale and it would tell us the mass in grams. But what if I could heat up that powder to be so hot that it turned into a gas? And I wanted to know what volume of gas is that. Well, I can't really go straight from mass down here to volume of gas, but I could go from the mass that I'm given in grams to how many moles that is, and then from how many moles that is to how much gas in liters. So you see I have gas in liters. And then I could also just talk about the number of atoms or the number of molecules. If I had a glass of water, I could put that glass of water on a scale and it could tell me the mass of that glass of water. But I wouldn't know how many water molecules were in it unless I said, well, I have the mass of my water, and we're going to talk about this molar mass idea in a different video. But I have this mass of water, and I could convert that to how many moles of water that is. Then I could use this information here, these different conversion factors, and I could find out from that how many atoms or molecules or formula units I have. In the case of water, we would be talking about water molecules. So we'll work on that in another video, but for now, just understand that while we've talked about a mole in some complicated ways, the major idea is that we're using it as a unit of measurement. And the reason we use it is so that it helps us convert between different forms that we want to look at. I could be looking at something in mass, such as grams of something, and I might want to know, well, how many atoms of sulfur powder is that, Ramos? I could say, I don't know, but I know the mass, and I could use my conversion factors to tell you, let me just get my paper. And we're going to get our paper in just a second, and I'll show you how that works.